at the snow, Tiik. Lots of snow. Come on. Come, Tiik. Yes, yes, come and look at the snow. What is that? What's that, Tiik? Come on, Tiik, come. Oh no, she goes away. She no want the snow. What's that, Tiik? Lick the snow. Bit of stirring. I just said hello, but I wasn't recording yet. I don't know where my tripod is. Where's my tripod? It's probably downstairs. So I'm going to hold the camera. Can I prop it up somewhere? Probably not without getting like a really nice double chin angle. I haven't talked to the camera yet. Hello, welcome to Vlogmas number 6. Today is Monday. My voice is slightly better, isn't it? Like, it's still not there, but like, I think having just edited Vlogmas number 5, I realized that at the start of that one, I definitely sound more croaky than I sound now. So, yay, good. Today, it's Monday. I already said that. I have been editing Vlogmas. I just feel a bit overwhelmed. This is a very busy week. I don't even know where I'm at with my Christmas presents, with work, day job work, with Patreon work. I'm behind on videos. I do know that because all the videos that I have planned to film require me to talk. And although I don't mind talking for a few minutes or talking in conversation back and forth with people, doing a voiceover for a video, that's basically me yakking for 20 to 30 minutes straight, which is heavy on the old vocal cords at the best of times, but definitely right now. So I haven't been able to do those things, although I am hoping to film a video where I won't talk whilst I'm doing it, I think, or maybe I'll talk a little bit and then set the rest to music. So I can do that maybe today, maybe tomorrow. Then I've got choir rehearsal tonight. I'm really hoping to actually film something tonight. I will try, because there are certain songs that I know I shouldn't be singing right now, so I will probably do a little bit of filming of those and pop them into the vlog. Then what else? Why am I up here? Oh yes, I'm finding something. I'm looking for a piece of artwork, and then I'm going back downstairs, and then I have to pick up Zephyr, and oh, it snowed. Yes, you saw it snowed. Oh my goodness, very romantic, very nice. We were like walking to school this morning, and I kept going, and we were like, oh, it's so amazing, and like the crunchy snow, like the bits that were still crunchy, and like walking on them. And then I was like, even the trash bags look romantic because they had snow on them. So the question is, am I going to cycle tonight? I think I will, because the roads are probably pretty clear. It's just pavements that are still a bit that are a bit slushy. What else am I going to say? There was something else. Oh yes, I'm going to not vlog tomorrow or on Wednesday, so then I will vlog again on Thursday, because Thursday is concert night, and I would like to get a little bit of footage, hopefully, of like the excitement and the lead up and just me and my friends and how we're feeling and stuff. I did the same thing last year. If you want to go back and watch last year's Vlogmas vlog of my Christmas concert, it's somewhere up here. Yeah, so I am super looking forward to it. Am I nervous? I'm actually not that nervous because of the little practice session that we had, and also because I kind of just feel like with my voice the way it is, I'm gonna just be happy to be able to sing in any case. Like, whatever I'm able to sing, I'll be happy about it. So that's kind of my approach right now. Yeah, I'm gonna keep going, and maybe speak to you a bit later. I did realize though that if I'm expecting you to watch these Vlogmas vlogs, which come pretty thick and fast, even though I'm not doing them daily, and I do a lot of talking to the camera, then they're way too long. And like, you know, I'm piling on the work for you because you have to watch all of them, and I'm giving you too much homework. So maybe I should just talk a bit less. Hello. I thought I would close out this vlog whilst I'm like out and about. It's a bit noisy here actually. So yeah, that was my choir rehearsal. I hope you enjoyed that. My voice, I didn't actually do that much singing. My voice is still kind of okay. But I will just not be talking for the next 2 days. Yeah, I hope you enjoyed the vlog, and I will see you in the next one, which will be concert day. Yay! Okay, bye!